Today we're tearing down the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. If you're repairing it, this video helps. If you're just curious, it works too. Let's begin. First step, power off the phone. We're using this toolkit today. 2 PolarTech Magic Self-Heating Pads go on the back. Heat the phone for 10 minutes. Time's up. Let's remove the back cover. We need alcohol, a plastic card, a metal blade, and a suction cup. Use the suction cup to lift the back slightly. Create a small gap. Slide the metal blade in. Add some alcohol into the gap. The alcohol weakens the adhesive. Use the plastic card to move around the edges. If it feels stuck, add more alcohol. Back cover is off. Let's remove the screws on the top frame. Use a magnetic mat for the screws. This part has 5 screws. Disconnect the battery connector first. Then disconnect the rest of the flex cables. Now let's remove the battery. Drop alcohol around the edges. It softens the battery adhesive. Pry from the side with a metal tool. Gently lift the battery. Next are the earpiece and motherboard screws. There are 5 screws here. Then remove the 4 screws on the subboard. Remove the SIM tray. Disconnect the subboard flex. Three short screws sit here. Don't miss them. Lift the subboard using tweezers. Here's the earpiece. Now we remove the mainboard. But be careful near the front camera. There's waterproof adhesive around it. Don't pull too hard. Use a thin blade to loosen the adhesive. Lift the camera gently. Here's the vibration motor. Easy to remove. Now the antenna module. Use a Y-type screwdriver. Seven screws in total. I missed one earlier. Happens. All parts are out now. Time to reassemble everything. Start with the antenna module. Don't miss the 7 screws. Install the vibration motor. Place the motherboard back in. Reconnect the front camera. Connect all flex cables. Install the battery and the subboard. Don't reconnect the battery yet. Reconnect every flex cable properly. Tighten the 3 short subboard screws. It's short. Install the subboard shield. Now reconnect the battery. Install the mainboard shield and all screws. Place the back cover on. Add fresh glue if the adhesive is weak. The Galaxy S21 Ultra is fully reassembled. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.